Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. So what we learn in science? We learn in science about animals, food of animal, shelter of animals and many other things. And we also learn more things in science in next lectures, right? So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we revise lesson number 6. And what is the name of this lesson? The name of this lesson is Food and Shelter of Animals. So our today's topic is Fair Book Exercise. So today we revise exercise which we write in Fair Book. So first we revise textbook exercise and today we revise Fair Book exercise. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line. So what you see on your screen, which animal it is? Tortoise, right? So in this lesson we learn about animals. So today here is line on tortoise. So remember we learned the story of tortoise and rabbit. So in race, which animal win? Tortoise, right? So when we learn this story, we see that tortoise is very slow when rabbit is very fast. But who is winner? Winner is tortoise, right? So your speed doesn't matter. If you forward and forward again and again, your speed is not matter. If you slow and you are give effort to the things, then you can win. So your speed doesn't matter. Forward is forward, right? So let's start our today's lecture. So which lesson we revise today? Today we revise lesson number 6. And what is the name of this lesson? Anyone remember? Yes. Food and shelter of animals means food which animals eat and shelter where animals live, right? So in this lesson we learn different types of food which animals eat. We also learn shelter, a place where animal can live. Like us, they are also living in proper place. So these all things we learn in this lesson. But food of animal and shelter of animals, right? So let's start. Our today's topic, what we learn today? We learn Fair Book exercise, right? So today we learn what we write in Fair Book. So let's start. Before we start our today's topic, what you do first? Because we are revised lesson number 6 exercise. So what we revise first? First we revise lesson number 6. So let's start. What we learn in lesson number 6? So we learn about food of animals and shelter of animals, right? So in this lesson we learn that which animal eat which food and where these animals are living, right? So we learn about animals, the different types of animals in this world in lesson number 5. When we learn lesson number 6, we learn that which animals live where. Some animals live in open forest, when some animals live in proper place, when some animals are making their own house, and some animals we keep with us, and these animals need house to live which we make, right? So let's revise lesson number 6. So when we start this lesson, we learn about food of animals, right? So different types of animals eat different types of food. So first we see the food of animals. So first picture you can see here is seeds, right? So we learn in this lesson that seeds like wheat, rice, sunflower seed and barley and many others, corn, many things eat, right? So these all are seeds. which animals eat, right? So first food we learn in this lesson is seeds. Mostly birds and hens are eating these seeds. Then we learn second food is flesh, right? So first when we learn about flesh, we don't know what is flesh. So flesh is a food which animal eat, but what is this? It is the meat. So when we learn about flesh, we learn that meat of animal is flesh. So different types of animals eat different type of flesh. We also learn in this lesson that they are not going in market and buy meat. They kill other animal and eat flesh of that animal. So now you can understand that animals not going to market or shop and buy their food. They find their food, they roam in forest or wherever they are living, they roam and they find their food, right? So flesh, some animals like lion, tiger, mostly big animals are eat flesh. So this is the food which we get from. And what is this? It is a grass. So some animals are eating grass and plant or peels of vegetable or vegetables or fruits. So many animals are eat grass or plant. Some animal eat dry grass, some animal eat green grass, and some animal eat peels of the vegetables, peels of the fruits which we throw in dustbin. So animals are also help to clean our places, right? Then we learn about insect and worm. So in lesson number 6 we learn about insect type of animal, which animal have 6 legs, some animals have 8 legs, and some animals have wings to fly. So these all things we learn in lesson number 5. But in this lesson we learn about worms also. Earthworms or yellow worms or green worms. We also learn that in vegetables these worms we can see. So some animals are eating insect and worms, right? So after this we learn which animal eat which type of food. So in this lesson we learn that animals that eat insect and worms, right? So let's see the picture of animals. Animals like lizard which eat small insect like fly, cockroaches and spiders and many other small insect, ladybug, caterpillars and frog. These two animals have sticky tongue. With help of this sticky tongue they can attack on their insect and they eat food, right? So here you can see the picture of two animals which is eating insect and worms. So lizard and frog. Then some birds are also eating insect and worm from the land also, and one animal like woodpecker is eating insect from wood. They take out insect from stem of the tree. Some insect are inside the stem or wood. So we called it woodworms or wood insect. So this type of insect eaten by woodpecker. And animals like crow, sparrow, these all are birds, but birds are also animals. So birds are also eating insect and worms, right? So these all things we learn in this lesson. Then we learn in this lesson about animals that eat grass. So which animal eat grass? Remember which animals are eating grass? Yes, cow, buffalo, goat, elephant and horses and many others. So let's see the picture. Cow, you can see here cow. We also see cow around us, right? So what they are eating? They are eating grass or plant. So animals that eat grass, first animal is cow, we all know about it. Then second animal is elephant. Elephant is the animal which is eating grass also, as well as fruits also, vegetables also. We also learn that how they are living like us. They roam in forest. Some people kept with them elephant. So elephant eat different types of food, right? So most favorite food of animal is banana, right? They also eat coconut. Then horse is eating grass also, as well as horse most favorite food is chickpea or grams, right? So all these things we learn. Then goat. So when we buy any goat, what we give to goat for eating? We give them grass, right? So goat and sheep, these two animals we keep with us, and we are giving them green grass. When horse eat dry grass, horse, cow and buffaloes are eating dry grass, right? So these all are animals. Cow, elephant, horse, goat and sheep are animals that eat grass. Then we learn about animals that eat flesh. Most of the animals are eat flesh, which are big. Some big animals like giraffe and zebra eating plants, but big animals like lion, tiger, leopard, jaguar are eating flesh of other animals, right? So when we learn about flesh, we learn that some animals are eating dead animals, when some animals are kill animal and then they eat food, right? So let's start. First is tiger. As you know that tiger is very big animal, also it is a dangerous animal, right? So we learn about tiger and lion that when they feel hungry, they are going in forest, they kill other animal and they eat food. They are not eating dead animals, right? So when they roam in forest, they see dead deer or dead rabbit, they are not eating them. Why? Because they kill animal and they eat. So in this lesson we learn about some animals which are eating dead animals, when some are killing that animal and they eat, right? Second animal is deer. Is that deer? No, it is bear. So don't confuse in deer and bear, right? Deer is the animal which eat plant, when bear is animal which eat plant and which eat flesh of other animal also. And which is the favorite food of bear? It is fish. Mostly bear kill fish and take out brain of fish and they eat brain. The other body of fish they throw in water. It is interesting thing about bear that bear eat live brain of fish. You can see here that bear is eating fish, right? Then third is leopard, right? So leopard is also one of the fastest animal. They run very fast, they kill animal and eat. Then lion, king of the forest, right? So there is a lion family and lion kill other animal and they take food at home like us and they eat together. So animals are so live like us. So these are animals which are eating flesh. Then we learn about seeds, that some animals like hen, squirrel, parrot and bird, peacock and pigeon and many other birds are eating seeds. So when we feed any bird, we give them seeds, right? So we see on the road also there are seeds and some pigeons are eating food, right? So then the second thing we learn in this lesson, place where animals live. So the places are forest. So some animals are living in open forest. They don't need house or shelter, like horse, cow, and elephants, giraffe, zebra. They are living in open forest, right? Then second thing is hollow of the tree. Some places are natural and some places are made by animals. So it is a natural hole in tree which we called hollow of the tree, and some animals are living inside it. Then caves, hole in mountain. So caves are also natural place of animals where they are living. Then third thing is burrow. Burrow is a hole in land and it is the underground shelter of animals which made by animals. So when hollow of the tree and cave are natural places where animals live, and these places like burrow is created by an animal. Then the second thing is beehive. Beehive is home of honeybees and they are living inside it. They make beehive and they live. In the third thing which we learn in this lesson, a place which made by animal is nest. So birds are living in nest, right? Then place where animals live in forest. So animals live in forest, hollow of the tree, caves, ice caves and tree, right? So first let's start with hollow of the tree. Which animals live in hollow of the tree? Squirrel, owl, fox. Here you can see the picture of animals which are living in hollow of the tree. Owl, fox, then squirrel, woodpecker. These all are animals which are living inside hollow of the tree. Then we learn about caves. Which animals live in cave? Cave is a hole in mountain, right? So which animals live in cave? Lion, tiger, bear, bats. These all are animals which are living in cave. Here you can see the picture of families which are living in caves. Bear, tiger, lion and penguins live in ice caves, right? So then we learn about burrow. Burrow is a hole in land, underground home of animals. You can see here rabbit, fox and squirrel which are living inside it. They make their own home. Then beehive, home of honeybee, right? So then we learn about nest. We made nest. No, we are not made nest. Birds are make nest. So birds are living in nest. Here you can see the birds which are living in nest. They raise their child in nest. Then we learn about home of animal which we make. Which are they? Stable, shed, kennel and aquarium. So when we kept animal with us, we have to make house of there. So here you can see stable for horse, shed for cow, kennel for dog and aquarium for fish. So these all things we learn in this lesson, right? Now we revise whole lesson number 6. So you have to give answers quickly, right? So let's start. First exercise, question number 1. Which is question number 1? Fill in the blanks, right? So first FB is cow eat dash. So we have 2 options, grass and seeds. Now when we learn about cow, that cow is living in shed when we kept with us. So what we gave cow to eat? We give seeds? No. So what we give cow? we give cow grass. So here you can see grass. We called it plant also. So what is the answer? Grass. Cow eat grass. So here which picture is going from here? Seeds. And what is the right answer? Grass. So cow eat grass. Then second FB, birds make dash, nest or web. Right? So in this lesson we learn about animals which are making their own home. Right? So first is, you can see here nest. We have two options, nest and web. So you can see here which animal make nest and which animal make web. Right? So in first picture you can see birds and they are living in nest, when spider which are living in web. Right? So what is the answer now? Bird make nest or web? Yes, birds make nest. So which picture is going from here? Let's see. Yes. So the answer is nest. Bird make nest to lay eggs and raise their chicks. Right? Now let's see which is next one. Tiger live in dash. So when we learn about big animals, tiger and lion and bear and bats, these all are animals which are living in cave. Now what is cave? Cave is a hole in mountain. So let's see, we have two pictures. In one picture you can see tiger, in second picture you have nest. So in which picture you can see tiger? First picture. So where tiger live? Is there a nest? No. So what is this? It is cave. So tiger live in cave. So which one is going from here? Sparrow. So what is the answer? Tiger live in cave. Right? So now let's see. For sparrow eat dash. So we have seed and flesh. Right? Two options. So let's see the pictures. One is, you can see here sparrow, and second is flesh. Right? So when we learn about sparrow, when we learn about seeds, when we learn about flesh, so we also learn that which animal eat flesh. We learn that tiger and lion and big animals are eating flesh. When animals like sparrow, hen, crow, all birds are eating seeds. So what is the answer? Sparrow eat seed or flesh? Seeds, right? So we write here answer seed. Sparrow eat seed. So which one is going from here? Flesh, right? So answer is seeds. So birds are eating seeds. Now next, question number 2. True or false? So let's see which is first one. Birds live in nest. So in this lesson we learn about birds. Birds are the animals with 2 legs and 2 wings, right? So they are making their own nest. So what they are using to make nest? They are using twigs, straw and mud or cotton to making their nest, right? So let's see the picture here. Here you can see the birds, and where they are living? They live in nest. So birds live in nest is true, right? So let's see which is next one. Lion eat dash. Lion eat grass, right? So we have to write right or wrong. If there is a right sentence, we have to write true. If there is a wrong statement, we have to write false. So lion eat grass. So first let's see the picture. Here you can see lion, and lion is the king of the forest. So what lion is eating? Is there a grass? No. So what is this? It is flesh or meat. So lion eat grass. Is right or wrong? Wrong. And I know you all are laughing because lion not eating grass. Lion is the king of the forest. They kill animal and eat. So lion eat grass is false. Then all animals eat same food. So in this lesson we learn about different types of animals and food of their animals. So let's see picture of animals which are eating food. First is lion. So what lion is eating? Flesh. Tiger is eating flesh. Crow is eating insect and worms. Cow is eating grass. Hen is eating seeds. Horse is eating grass. Elephant eating grass. Elephant also eat fruits and vegetables, right? Here you can see the picture of cow which is eating vegetables. Elephant again eating bananas. Horse eating oranges. Cow is eating peels of vegetables and fruits. And some cow is eating grass. So here you can see different types of animals. Now tell me that are they eating same food? Yes or no? No. Right? So animals are eating different type of food. They are different from each other. That's why they are eating different types of food. Right? So what is the answer? All animals eat same food is a wrong answer. Why? Because animals eat different types of food because they are different from each other. Here you can see some animals which are eating. Sheep is eating grass. Rabbit is eating carrot. And squirrel is eating nuts. When bear is eating honey. So like that all animals eat same food is a wrong. And that's why we write here false. Now let's see question number 3. Match the following. So we have only 2, column A and column B. So birds are living in nest and cow eat plant. So here I write the answer, right? So let's see with picture. So in first picture you can see that birds are there, right? And second picture you can see cow. Now birds are living in nest, right? So where we joined birds? We joined bird with second picture and we joined cow with grass, right? So here you can see that birds with nest and cow with grass because cow eat grass and birds are living in nest. So here you can see the answer, birds nest and cow plant. Now let's see question number 4. What is this? Give 2 examples. So in this we have to write 2 answer, right? So first is birds. Here you can see crow and parrot. So I write the spelling crow and parrot, right? You can write here any birds like penguin, duck and sparrow or pigeon. Ostrich is also birds. These all are birds. So you can write any bird which you like, but you have to write only birds. You cannot write here animals. Animal that eat plant. So we learn about animals which are eating plant like cow and horse, right? So we also learn in this lesson that animals like giraffe, zebra, buffaloes, elephant, sheep also eating plants. So I write here cow and horse. You can write any animals which are eating plants, right? So let's see which is next question. Question number 5. Give one word. Rabbit live in dash. So in this lesson we learn about animals and their shelters. So some animals make their own shelters. So which animal are making their own shelters? Like honeybees, rabbit, foxes and many others. So in this we learn about rabbit. So where rabbit live? Rabbit live in burrow. So rabbit make their own home. It is underground home of rabbit and we called it burrow. So I write here the answer, burrow. So rabbit live in burrow, right? So let's see which is next question. Question number 6. Question answers, right? So here question number 1. Name any 2 animals live in cave. So which animals are living in cave? Tiger, lion, bear and penguins. So you can write here any 2 animals, right? So I write here 2 animals which are lion and tiger. So lion and tiger is animal which are living in cave. Cave is a natural hole in mountain, right? So it is a natural place where animals can live. Then number 2, which animals live in aquarium? Now we learn about fish in lesson number 5 also, in lesson number 6 also. So when we keep fish with us as a pet, we make their home and the home of fish is known as aquarium. So here you can see the picture of aquarium in which fish are living. So it is aquarium and which animal inside aquarium? Fish. So what is the answer? The answer is fish. Which animal live in aquarium? Fish. So we make aquarium for fish. So today we learn about exercise which we write in fair book. So I hope you all understand what we learned today and revise lesson number 6 and exercise of lesson number 6. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.